Time to cube. I'm gonna try and solve it at the earliest. Done. Done, guys.
Hi.
Beard kashi hai?
Oh, looking nice.
Teru is sleeping, and so will I. It's a new day, and I have something special going on today. Firstly, I'm gonna start my morning with my vocal sessions. So I've started my vocal session again, and my vocal master would be coming anytime soon. So I'm gonna quickly get ready. Oh, and that's the conch. Let's ice ourselves. Okay guys, done with the class. What an amazing session. One of the best sessions of my life. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven. Kanha became Krishna. The Krishna that we know wields a powerful weapon. The weapon is called Sudarshan Chakra, right? What if I tell you he did not own it from the start? In fact, Sudarshan Chakra was given to Krishna by his guru Parshuram, because Krishna was an avatar of Vishnu, isn't it? So is Parshuram, and so was Ram. So going back to Ramayana, when Shiv Dhanush was meant to be broken, so when Sita's ceremony was going on, they called all the kings across the kingdoms and they wanted them to break the bow. That bow was Shiv Dhanush. And when the Shiv Dhanush was being broken, it was difficult firstly for everyone to break it, but only Ram could do it. And when Ravan tried it, he could pick it up, yes, because he was a Shiv devotee. So he had that power in him, but he could not still break it. But Lord Ram, he didn't only break it, but he also did it with ease. Parshuram gave a weapon which is called Sudarshan Chakra to Krishna. And when he gave that to him, he also told him that with this power, you will be responsible for the events that will be happening in the future. And that is when Kanha became Krishna. Now we are gonna get dressed. I'm wearing this pant for sure, but I'm confused. Should I wear olive green or black? What do you think, baby? Should I wear green or blue? He wants me to wear green as well. Hai na, Tedu? Mm-hmm. Yes, he's nodding. Okay, perfect. हाँ रोड के इधर हो. That's our cab. It's such a sunny day today. It's a good feeling to have a sunny day actually. भैया रैपिड हो ना? चलिए. Okay, thank you Dada. Okay, we are here. Birthday boy, Sevi darling. This is vlogging, bro. I've started vlogging. Happy birthday, bro. Thank you. Excited? Very much. Working here, Taylor.
This was the place I was working.
Okay.
Like my internship was here.
Dive is over there. We both are literally twinning.
Okay.
White shoes, black pants, olive green. And same, olive green, black pants, white shoes.
I've booked, I've written all the things down. So and I've shared it to Tanya also. So we will definitely go.
Let's go. Hi. What's up, bro? How are you? Yeah, we are twinning today.
You didn't give us the memo. Because we also
What memo? We wore it naturally.
Cassie, I don't know. Tanya will reach in 5, he said.
It's gonna be fun.
Aishwarya? Actually wished me today. So happy birthday.
He's coming now.
Yo, what is up, homie? Yes, bro.
Hello.
Aishwarya and Riya. Both of these guys are twinning.
Are we?
Nice. Yes,
The
twinning
brown
much.
kids.
Yeah.
Brown kids of Bandra.
Your height has shortened or what?
Too much stress.
Too much stress. Go.
Happy birthday.
Tane. Gift. Sebin's birthday gift. Let's go. Yeah, I like it.
So good. How much was
And it is stable as well.
Must be like what, 3K, 4K?
This is, I think, 2K.
2K.
Somewhere around that.
From Amazon.
Got it from Amazon.
Company's name is Jai Kisan.
Is it this one?
Yeah.
Dive. Oh my god.
So lagenge na.
Halloween vibe.
Sides are similar.
The dinner, and now we are leaving for the second place. The food was amazing. Amazing.
I think the fries were really good.
Yeah. Even the
What did you like the most? Fries?
Fries, peanuts.
And what about you?
I love the vibe, to be honest.
Yeah, the vibe was amazing.
Relaxing now.
Yeah.
Feels so good.
It was needed, man. It's been such a long time since we all have like hanged out.
I think we should all
Yeah.
start a company, bro.
For sure. For sure. Which is our cab? Look at the sky, guys. Ooh, look at the moon. So beautiful.
It looks good when you have an iPhone.
Yeah, it does. It does.
I'm planning on getting iPhone 17 maybe next year.
But you should vlog. You should stream Valorant, bro. You play games, right?
Good, yeah.
Yeah, Valorant is a good game.
I'm
yeah.
a bad gamer, but the content would be nice because me and my friends just go.
What is this gift in my mind?
You open it. You will love it, bro. We all agreed on it.
Let's open in Theeram.
Let's do an unboxing in Theeram.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, for sure. Look at this bike, guys. It's a proper cafe racer vibe. I always wanted to own a vibe.
What do you pronounce that as?
Pineapple.
It's called Pinnacle.
Oh, no. It's Pinnacle.
Pinnacle, yeah.
Pineapple.
Yep. Pinnacle Corporate Park. Sitting next to the birthday boy.
Yes.
Bieber.
Hi.
7-Eleven.
We're going to Theeram.
What's your birthday resolution? Like, what are you planning to do now in this?
Maybe like it's a very cliche answer to say work hard more.
Yeah.
That's my plan because I had a little bad patch last month, but
Yeah.
still I am planning to come back. So when we meet next time, I'll be saying that I've reached my target.
Let's go, bro. You will do it.
Yes, sure. I'm confident.
Yes.
I can do it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go. 7 will do it for sure.
I'll be thrown out only.
One good thing that happened with you today.
Get together. Yeah. Much awaited.
Much awaited get together. Okay,
Yes.
both of you. Nishant.
Yeah, same.
Ash.
I think the get together and the French fries are amazing.
For sure. Tane?
Yeah, I was gonna say French fries, but actually the get together, yeah.
Get together, yeah. It was much
that all
needed,
of us
guys.
like.
Yeah.
Yes.
What about you, Sebi, darling?
I think the gift.
The gift. Oh, you yet to open it, bro. Are the best looking couple.
Thank you.
Yes, we know.
Oh, you three actually.
Oh yeah. Shit.
Cuties. Who do you like the most in Friends?
Chandler.
Team Chan.
I mean,
Just choose one.
Chandler.
Same here. I think Chandler is the best one. There was this one reel now which also.
Smelly cat girl.
Phoebe.
Phoebe, she's the best.
So I saw a reel. It was about Ross is written by men. That's why it's not the good character there. The girls don't like him much. And then Joey is written by kids, so he's on the funny side. But Chandler is written by a woman, obviously. So girls love it more.
Sebi, unboxing time. Go! Happy birthday!
Oh, he gave you two.
What are the odds, bro? What are the odds?
Very nice.
don't eat, I am feeling like
It's beautiful. The way it is
presented.
Oh wow. The aroma is so
Smells so
good.
good, na?
Unreal.
The deep tissue massage.
Where did you take the deep tissue massage?
I was talking about Saket Gokhale.
Oh dude, he fucked
Yeah.
up his own. He cannot lift heavy now.
Yeah.
That was bad.
Because of some masseuse who used that particular elbow thing on her neck.
One of his vertebrae
Yeah,
got
crazy.
fucked up. Yeah. Bye Tanay. Thank you so much for
Bye-bye.
today. Hi bro. Have a good one. Bye Seb. Give me a hug, bro. Love you, bro. Happy birthday once again. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog today. I had mad fun with my friends. It was great. I really enjoyed myself. I'll see you again very soon. Take care. Bye now.